What is WCoin? WCoin is making waves in the DeFi gaming world with its more than 7 million community, an innovative approach to earning and staking. The concept is simple yet engaging. Players tap to earn as many coins as possible, then stake them to boost their earnings further. This dynamic and rewarding system has already attracted a growing community eager to see where this game will take them. WCoin listing date. The excitement surrounding WCoin is set to reach new heights as the token is expected to be listed on major exchanges such as Binance, Bybit, and Bigit on September 15th. This listing is particularly significant as it may coincide with the GOAT's listing date, creating a buzz in the crypto community. With both tokens set to make their debut on the same day, September 15th is shaping up to be an important date for DeFi enthusiasts and investors alike. WCoin Airdrop date. Adding to the excitement, there are strong indications that the WCoin Airdrop could also take place on September 15th. This airdrop presents a fantastic opportunity for early adopters to get their hands on WCoin before it officially hits the exchanges. The community-driven nature of WCoin means that participants may have a say in how the airdrop is distributed, further fueling interest in this upcoming event. WCoin price prediction. As the listing date approaches, speculation about WCoin's potential price is heating up. Analysts predict that the token could initially trade between $0.001 and $0.005, depending on market conditions and community support. The price could be influenced by the community's choice of blockchain. This decision will be crucial in determining the token's early market performance. The anticipation surrounding WCoin is palpable, with its unique gaming mechanics, upcoming listing on top exchanges, and a potential airdrop all contributing to its appeal. As the community prepares for September 15th, the question on everyone's mind is, will WCoin be the next big DeFi success story? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, WCoin is a project worth watching closely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the WCoin airdrop. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.